está la creencia de que hicieron un pacto con el diablo para tener todas esas riquezas y...
So I'm in the crypt of the main cathedral, and right here is the mausoleum. Saint Padre Romero did so much good, and he was brutally gunned down in 1980.
This is best pasta.
Really?
I have tried, yeah. This is the best pasta that I ever tried.
Wait, really? No, no, come on, seriously. Pretend like you're not.
I'm not
being
kidding.
filmed.
I'm not even kidding.
You ever go to Piemonte in Italy?
Yeah.
And you start driving around, you will find wines that will blow your mind that are better than $1,000 bottles. You'll just taste them, they're $10, $20, and you'll be like, wow, best wine you've ever had in your life. Beautiful day in San Salvador. Slightly overcast, it's warm, but not too warm.
I can't even talk no more, baby.
So what's happening here, guys? What do we got? That was the
Pero yeah,
Castillo de San Salvador. Castillo Venturoso.
Pertenecieron a las
Close.
familias más ricas del Salvador. De ahí,
Gente de dinero.
por supuesto, de mucho dinero, quizás eran los más ricos. Pero está la creencia de que hicieron un pacto con el diablo para tener todas esas riquezas y ese lugar nadie lo ocupa. This is a version of the Central Park.
Ah, okay, cool. We should go, dude. Why don't we go walk around there later?
Yeah, yeah.
There's something I wanna tell to you. Whenever I come through and smile like you do, oh baby.
Now in the central square of San Salvador. So, what's behind me? El 5 de noviembre.
Primer grito de independencia.
Primer grito de independence. First scream of independence. Y aquí enfrente la iglesia de Rosario.
Agua, 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 niño.
Gotta love all the liveliness here. People singing, musicians. So we're in the main center, the real main plaza of San Salvador. We're here, we have the Palacio Nacional, National Palace. That's like the, es como la Casa Blanca o la...
Sí,
Yeah, you
sí,
like that.
ajá, esa es en teoría donde tendría que vivir el presidente, pero
Pero no vive aquí el presidente.
No.
no,
No,
not
so-
even his office.
There's only your eyes and you. I'm in love with you.
I'm in the crypt of the main cathedral. And right here is the mausoleum of Saint Padre Romero. He was a priest here, pastor who had an amazing life, did so much good, and he was brutally gunned down in 1980 by some crazy right wing. I'm not gonna say what they are, but they're just pieces of shit that, you know, decided that he was too much good in the world. He had done so much good for the people of El Salvador, and they ripped his life out of here prematurely and gunned him down in the church. Crazy. That was intense. I mean, beautiful how they've maintained his memory and honored him. But very, very sad, very heavy energy in there. So tragic. I mean, just like a reminder of the cruelty that we as humans sometimes subject each other to, for just absolutely just mindlessness, complete lack of consciousness and depravity. I don't know, what are your thoughts on that? You guys know who Romero is? Padre Romero? If you do, leave me a comment. The National Palace. City of the old government here, so we're gonna check it out. Beautiful place. So I guess it's one of their birthdays and she's giving out cake to everybody, especially those that dance. So much fun, man. So sick, dude. Love it, man. These guys know how to throw down in the middle of the Sunday afternoon. It's Easter Sunday and these guys are just having a great time, dude. This is what we need to take back to the quote-unquote civilized or first world or whatever the hell you want to call the modern countries with a ton of money, but they don't have that kind of spirit, man. They don't have that joie de vivre, that living in the moment, just having a great time for nothing, just like creating beautiful moments in the street. And it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I wish we had more of this in you know, the US and other places. So cool. Ah, almost. Yeah, not too good on my American history. Holy shit, dude. Oh, man. We're the gorillas. Gotta be gorillas in here. Shit. The Lago Leopoldo. This is what we came up for. Right here, it's actually turquoise. What I would give to have a mask and snorkel and be snorkeling around those little islets right now. It must be amazing.